Hi, my name's Richard. What's your name? Here's looking at you, babe. Evening, ladies. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt.
Yes, you do.
That's fair. I was actually wondering if I could buy you a drink.
Which one?
Sorry?
Which one of us would you like to buy a drink? Or will any one of us do? Kat, don't be rude. I'm not being rude. I'm asking a question. Sorry, I have to apologize for my sister here. She works for city council, so she likes to get all her facts straight before making a decision.
Thorough. I can respect that.
Hey, precision is key.
The devil's in the details. Well, to answer your question, I'd like to buy all three of you a drink. But not because I'm indiscriminate. On the contrary, I'm quite particular, especially when it comes to women. 4 shots of tequila, please, and 1 for yourself. So, congratulations on your promotion. I couldn't help but overhear. It's Kat, isn't it?
Catherine, actually.
Ah, as in the Great? I wouldn't sell that name short either.
Thanks. I wouldn't let a stranger sell it short for me.
Well, my name's Richard, Richard Blanton. But my friends call me Rick. See? Now we're not strangers anymore.
Nice to meet you, Richard. But a free drink and a formal introduction doesn't quite make us friends.
Acquaintances?
Barely.
Okay. How about this? Your full name is Catherine Lee Sloan. You graduated with honors from Stanford, and your favorite brand of tequila is Fortaleza Añejo, like mine.
Are you a detective, Richard Blanton?
A doctor, psychiatrist, actually.
Is my mind reading part of the practice these days?
It's getting there. But I find observation to be the most efficient tool. And in my opinion, of course. And the tequila? Well, I know by heart.
How very astute of you.
As you said, precision is key.
The devil's in the details.
So, Kat, does this make us friends now? My queen! I missed you today.
Did you?
Very, very much.
How was work?
Oh, you know, just another day in paradise. What about you? How was your day?
It was, interesting.
What's this? Kat? You've been spying on me?
Don't you dare make this about me. I mean, Vivian? She's our neighbor, for crying out loud. How could you?
Kat, this is ridiculous. Look, Vivian is my patient.
Since when? And since when did you start having patients make house calls? Maybe because you don't even have an office. Are you even a doctor? You've been lying to me for our entire marriage.
This is madness. I warned you about those pills.
Come on, Richard. I know she's been here with you every day, and I know you were with her on our anniversary at that house in Rustic Canyon.
Oh, what are you talking about? Kat, what house?
Oh, stop it, Richard. I know you were at that house with her. I tracked you there. You were at that house, and when I arrived, I found Vivian.
You tracked me? Listen to yourself. This doesn't even sound like you. Your imagine is taking over. It's the same paranoia that made you leave without a trace.
Don't you dare psychoanalyze me. You're holding the proof in your hands. And I'm not the only one who knows. A friend of mine has been helping me. A detective.
Kat, listen to me. Huh? There is no evidence here other than proof of your own delusions. You need to stop this before things get dangerous. Huh?
Are you threatening me? I'm not stopping, Richard. And I'm not leaving this alone. I'm filing for divorce.
After all I did for you, I'm not going to let you ruin my life with your lies, with your crazy fantasies. John Erickson here, reading for the role of Richard. Let's get it going. Hey ladies, how you doing? Call me Rick. Cheers, Johnny. Hi. What's your name? Oh, yeah. You don't say. Well, you're in good hands here. I'm a doctor, and I am qualified to take care of all of your issues. Just lie down. I'll take care of the rest. This one's for you. This one's for me.